Hello everybody, and welcome to Beans and Greens. Here's my cup of coffee I'm having with you guys. And I'd like to just take a minute first to introduce myself and my plants. So far I'm just going to show you the indoor plants that I have because it's winter here in New York. And just give you a brief, description of them. But for future videos, I will go into more depth about each plant and how I care for them. So this is first my jade plant here, and I have this succulent, the trumpet plant they call it. It's one of my favorite ones. I'll have to really do one whole episode on that guy. And then I have these two bonsai trees that I had grown from seeds, and hopefully they are going to start budding again in the spring now that it's coming around the corner. I have a small little, well, it's not really small, it's pretty big. It's almost about the size of a tennis ball. This cactus back there, and this succulent here. It's growing to like a small bush here. And some leaves have fallen off and started growing some roots down there. And you can see I put another one in this plant. Sorry, it's getting a little dark in this corner here. I put this leaf in there. Put some better light. There you go. So you can see the roots from that succulent leaf and the little leaves growing there. There you go. Let's a better look at it. I gotta water it. And I have this hanging plant. It's a pretty short pot, so I think I'm either gonna have to transfer it into a hanging pot or something. I have to give it some more space to grow there. Then I have another bonsai tree that I had purchased almost a year ago, and when I first got her, or him, let me go over here. You can see here all the leaves, but oh, that's better. There you go. It's long stem. Actually, when I first got this guy, this stem here was non-existent. It had these two tiny leaves, and when I saw it, I was like, okay, I have to get this one to see what's going to happen from these two leaves here. And it grew, and I ended up trimming it up top here so I can kind of get some more branches filling out there. So here's my paddle plant, another succulent that I have. It's got a little baby plant down there. That's not a good view. There you go. You can see one of the leaves fell down and a new little plant is growing there. I forgot this plant right here next to the window. There's a new leaf coming out there. I'm pretty excited. Okay. Alright. In this window, I've got this pretty green leafy plant. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna have to look it up and get some more information on it for you guys. This guy, really pretty leaves. On the top here you can see it's like greenish, but then on the bottom it's like this really deep eggplant color. Really pretty. And it just grows like wildfires. I just have to keep trimming it constantly, and it's growing up. I think this is another hanging plant, so I'm gonna have to figure out something about how to let her grow.